Yes, because of the nature of the duty, since our police personnel are in the front line, we have come to know a little bit of exposure by our force personnel. So immediately what we did as a precautionary measure, so far none of them has tested positive. But as a precautionary measure, we are asking them to isolate themselves either in their homes if they have got a facility. If they don't have a facility at home, then we request to put them in the institutional quarantine. That is as a precautionary measure. From our side, we used to do contact tracing and all by ourselves. So we normally, whoever has been exposed, okay, during the course of duty, so we immediately ask them to isolate first, and the medical team and all, they are assessing the risk factor. So accordingly, the district medical team is giving assistance to us. See, basically, the health department is following their own protocols. Like first, they do the assessment in terms of what risk factor it is. So I think they are still assessing. But from our side, we have already communicated to the health department also the necessary help to be given to us, because these are the people who are in the front line always. So we have to take care of them first.